this video, you will learn 6 signs that show your gallbladder is compromised. These tips apply to you even if you don't have your gallbladder anymore. You certainly have heard someone talking about gallstones, or maybe you even had to remove your gallbladder. You may have heard about it while talking with a friend or family member. The fact is that this is a common issue nowadays. Located under the liver on the right side of your body, the gallbladder is a small organ, hardly remembered by us. Its function is to store bile, a substance produced by the liver and that helps digest the fats we eat. Poor functioning of the gallbladder may cause stones, which leaves the organ so sick that in most cases the solution is surgical removal. Gallstones, or cholelithiasis, is a disease that affects almost 10% of the population. It happens because of a diet high in fats and simple carbs and poor in fiber. Additionally, habits like smoking, lack of physical activities, and prolonged use of birth control may also contribute to the disease. Did you know that a family history of gallstones also counts towards the development of cholelithiasis? See the 6 signs that your gallbladder is not doing well. According to Chinese medicine, there is a gallbladder meridian, which starts in the outer corner of the eye, runs the skull in a series of complex curves, reaches the trapezium, goes down the pectoralis major and straight abdominal muscle, down to the side of the thigh, and by the anterolateral side of the ankle until the dorsal muscle of the foot, going between the 4th and 5th metatarsals in the 4th toe. Some of the signs are a pain in the ankles, side of thighs, the outer side of the knee, sciatic nerve, crotch area, waist, lumbar, ribs, shoulder, neck, and in the side of the head, like a chronic migraine. Some of the symptoms are fever, diarrhea, light-colored feces, yellow eyes, nausea, vomiting, and loss of appetite. The gallbladder cramp is the main symptom, characterized by a sudden, intense pain in the right side of the abdomen. It usually appears between 30 minutes or an hour after a meal, and goes away after the food is digested when the gallbladder stops receiving stimulus to release bile. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. So if you have any of the mentioned symptoms, avoid foods that are rich in calcium, fatty foods like fried foods, dairy, margarine, and eggs, and foods rich in uric acid that can also cause kidney stones, like meat, seafood, innards, liver, and eggs. Watch the suggested video to learn how to naturally eliminate gallstones, but remember that many people only seek medical help when the pain becomes unbearable. Once they arrive at the hospital, they need to undergo emergency surgery. In this case, the natural treatments won't be of any help. Get into the habit of doing these natural treatments once a year to control the issue and notice improvements in your health. Also, according to TCM, as we recently saw in the video about the circadian cycle, it would be interesting to be already asleep between 11 p.m. and 1 a.m. to ensure that the gallbladder can do its natural detox process and get ready for the next day. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.